Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Asma's kitchen. I am Asma. Today I have a really delicious Chinese cuisine to share with you, that is almond chicken. Really easy to make with simple ingredients. Give it a try and let me know your feedback, and watch this video till the end for recipe card. In this way you don't have to note down all the ingredients. I have made effort for you. Comment below and let me know if you like it. Right, let's get started with the recipe of almond chicken. Black pepper 1 teaspoon, corn flour 5 tablespoon, salt 1 teaspoon, white pepper 1 teaspoon, chicken powder 5 teaspoon, chicken boneless 500 grams, almond blanched half cup, capsicum 1 in chunks, onion 1 in chunks, water 1 liter. I have to firstly marinate chicken for an hour. For this, add 1 teaspoon salt in chicken and 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, corn flour 5 tablespoon, and mix it. Now I will keep it aside for an hour at least. Now in a pan add 1 liter water, and 5 teaspoons of chicken powder, and mix it well and bring it to boil. Now it is boiling, so I will add 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder and mix it. Take 2.5 tablespoons corn flour and add some water. Mix it well so there will be no lumps. Now add this corn flour into the stock. And now it is thick. Cover it. Now take oil in a bowl. Heat it up. Now add onions. Deep fry it. And take out fried onion into stock. Now deep fry capsicums. And take them out into stock. And cover it. Now I am deep frying marinated chicken It's done now. So I'm taking it out into stock. And cover it. Now dish out it into a bowl. And add blanched almonds, and sprinkle some spring onion over it. And serve it with egg fried rice, and you can get link of egg fried rice from description. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media. Link in description. Give thumbs up if you like it. Leave comment below and subscribe Asma's Kitchen for more delicious and exotic recipes. Don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will notified when I will upload a new video. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.